Hi guys, today we will be doing my K-Swiss Angry Bird unboxing, and I'm doing this game with y'all for all my episodes of sitting down here like all my talk videos. So I'll be I'm asking y'all, who do y'all see in the back, since y'all can probably see them, but let's get into the video, guys. I'm really excited for this because I've been waiting for 7 days. I kind of saw like a little red. So here's the box. Good thing I didn't. Could y'all? I don't think y'all could see that. So let's unbox this. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Oh, y'all can see that already? Just seeing that? Like, oh my gosh. That's so cool, guys. I'm gonna do transition right now. Guys, I'm gonna open it in front of y'all. Like, I didn't open or anything. I haven't seen anything. I just try to do it, but I was like, I don't have the time to do this today. So here is Redbird. I don't know their name. I only know Chuck and Bomb. I know all the characters, but I don't know their names. I specifically know Red, Chuck, Bomb. I know all of them, but I just don't know the names for some reason, even though I've been playing since I was like a little baby. So I'll let y'all have the first peek. Okay, let me open it now. I didn't see anything. I hope y'all like. This is so cool. Look at. I need to get some socks after this. This wrapping paper, I'm gonna keep this. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know how to. This is so cool. I'm so happy. And are you that excited? Oh my gosh, I want to see the other. Let me see what the other one looks like.
Really,
they gave me like even a little egg with it.
Green laces.
I'll just put this right here. I want to see if that. I'm trying to be careful as much as I can because I want to keep this paper. Oh, this is so cool. I'm going to put it like somewhere over here. This is so cool. This is so cool.
Good job. Stop being excited for everything.
I swear, I don't think I can wear. Do you think I can wear this in public without getting robbed?
Stop being so anxious about everything. You're not gonna get robbed.
It's like, I don't care about that wrapping paper. I care about this wrapping paper. I'll have it somewhere around here. I'll probably have it there behind where y'all can see me. One second. Let me go get something to like put this and put the shoes on. These are gonna look so cool. Everybody says these are like fake Adidas for some reason, but I would go cop these really quick because they costed me like 28 bucks. And then like in the next 3 days or like 10 days, they're putting them to $56. I can't even get the egg open. Oh, it has tape, that's why. Use your brain, Willie, use your brain. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. I'm definitely keeping this box. I already have expensive shoes, but not like cool like this. I have like these What are those called? Y'all saw them in my shoe video. Oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna put them. I'm not gonna have plain white. I don't think I'm gonna have plain white. This is so cool. One sec. Let me get these strings on and let me put this somewhere in a nice spot. So I'll see you in a second. So I'm putting my socks on right now. They're both black. I hope these fit me because I'm gonna be really mad because this video took me a long time to edit and do my stuff. And I hope this fits me. Can I just say that, or am I just... It doesn't fit me. What did I expect? It does fit me, I just need it tighter. Feels nice. Dogs are getting sick. They have to go to the doctor on Saturday for their shots. Not bad, actually. Let me tie them first. Get them tight. So, I'm watching the NFL draft. No, I'm gonna do homework. Then I'm gonna watch the NFL draft. I already did my homework, my booklet homework. Now I just have to do my other homework. That's probably gonna be easy. What's up, guys? So, like, subscribe, and see what's back there, and you can guess the box too. Yeah, I'll probably like your comment. I think I might be letting comments back in. Oh, these are cool. One sec, guys. Case was on the back. So everywhere in my room. Bye, guys. End the video, and I put it up there. Bye.